Hi everyone, today we're going to figure out what's going on with the new developmental math modules at South Piedmont Community College. Right now, developmental math is made up of three courses: Math 060, Math 070, and Math 080. For the 2012-2013 school year, Math 060 is going to stay the same. Math 070 is going to stay the same. However, Math 080, not so much. Math 080 is going to be replaced. So, where you saw Math 080 before, now it's going to be three separate modules labeled DMA 060, DMA 070, and DMA 080. So instead of one course, you'll have three modules called the Developmental Math modules, and this is going to take place fall of 2012. So you might have some questions. What are the DMA modules? Well, each module is 4 weeks long, and if you complete all three, which will be what you need to do, it'll only take 12 weeks instead of the 16 weeks you're spending on Math 080 right now. So, how would you register for these if you need to take this new developmental math pathway? Well, what you need to do is see your advisor or your counselor, and they'll be able to register you as they would any other class. Yay! It is very easy. So, how will it look on your schedule when you take these courses, these modules? What'll happen is you'll register for all three modules ahead of time before the semester starts. That way it doesn't mess up anything with financial aid. And if you do this, the modules will start on the first day of classes for the semester. If you look at the table below, you'll register for DMA 060, 070, and 080, each of them starting at a 4-week break point, starting at the first day of the semester. However, if you have trouble in DMA 060 and you don't pass it the first time, there's a built-in safeguard. You can go back to your advisor or counselor, let them know your situation, and they can change it so you then are registered into DMA 060 starting the second 4 weeks, and you still have a chance to finish all three by the end of the semester. Yes, good, you got it. You can finish in 12 weeks instead of 16 if you do it the first way. And is there anything else you need to know? Of course there is, but I'll tell you. Make sure that your sequence numbers match. So when you're being registered, advisors, counselors, make sure for the student that the first and last numbers match in the sequence to ensure that they're in the same sequence. And you can register for the modules at your Go Lab. The dates are above. Monday, April 2nd, Tuesday, April 3rd, and Wednesday, April 4th. There'll be people ready and willing to help you get registered for these new math modules. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact your advisor or your counselor to get more help.